Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to repair a cut coaxial cable. This will be a simple tutorial for an F connector repair. Let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I had a coaxial cable and I cut it. So we're going to imagine that you go to your coaxial cable, you realize that it's cut, and you want to fix it, okay? Very simple process. You only need a few simple tools. Let's get right into the video. So as you can see, what we first need to do is we need to strip back some of the coating right here. Now I have this coaxial cable stripping tool right here. So we're going to just simply push it all the way to the end, okay? You want to make it touch the end, basically, okay? Then we're going to release, spin it around, okay? Pull it off like that. All right, so as you can see right here, I have sort of cut that back. And then what we have are these ends right here. So what we want to do is we want to place the end and you want to push it all the way down until the cable gets to the point where it's just sticking out enough. So I'm going to push it down. You want that little center point to be sticking out a little bit, just like that. I can go a little bit further, to be honest with you. That's probably more than enough right there. You want it to stick out maybe like 1/4 of an inch. And then we're actually going to crimp this down. So we're going to use this crimping tool right over here, just like that. We're actually going to feed the cable in and it just seats perfectly right there. And we're going to crimp it down. You're going to see that blue line disappear, just like this. There we go. Okay, so that one's done. Now we're going to do the other side. So here's the other side that we cut. Let's just place that to the side over there. This is the other side that was cut. We're going to do the exact same thing. So we're going to take this crimping tool right here, seat it properly, okay, just like that. Release and give it a couple turns, pull it off, just like that. Take our universal end right here. We're going to nicely push it down just like that. You want the center point, like I said, to be sticking out a little bit. It just makes it easier when you are actually like installing it if the center point is sticking out a little bit, just like that. Okay, now we're actually going to take, I'm just adjusting the camera, sorry about that. We're actually just going to take our crimping tool over here. Like I said, we're going to seat that coaxial cable nicely in there, squeeze it down, just like that. When the blue line disappears on this type of end right here, you're good to go. So we have our two ends that we did right here. And now we just need a connector like this to connect both of the sides. So I'm going to obviously twist it in place. Just like that. I'm not going to go crazy and twist it all the way right now. When you're doing this, you want to really tighten it in place. But I'm just going to do it just right now, just very loosely, just so we can sort of get the video done. Just like that. Okay, twist it in place. And what we have now is we have fixed the cut coaxial cable. So now, like I said, this is the original coaxial cable. We cut it right there, and now we fixed it. Now you can go ahead and you're good to go. It's that simple. That is a simple fixing of a cut coaxial cable, an F connector repair video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.